In front of me I have a professional 35 meter BNC, the BNC power cable. So basically what we're doing is we're simply running power and BNC picture from a camera back to a DVR on this pre-terminated cable. So this is a really professional unit. We've gone for high-end connectors on it and a 5mm cable here. So it just allows us to run much longer runs. If you're using a low quality pre-terminated cable, anything over 20 meters, you're probably going to run into some serious problems. With this one here, we've used the spec of cabling for all our professional cables all the way up to 50 meters. So what we have here is we have the bag that it comes in. It would be sealed normally, and just in the front is the description and the length of the product. Okay, it's very handy if you have a number of products that look similar. And when we come along here, we'll see it's pre-wrapped inside here. So on the yellow connectors here, obviously are the BNC connectors. So that comes directly from the video output in the camera, goes directly to the DVR. And on the power side here, it's going to be powered via this 2.1mm socket and plug here. And you can see it's really good quality molded plugs in it. And it would obviously, just to show how the slot together would be like that, but obviously you'd be running from the power over to the camera, power unit over to the camera. So I've actually come along and set it up here just to give you a demonstration of how it would work. You can see the actual picture resolution, all the rest of it on it is super, and there's no real loss in this. Even when we're testing with the 50 meters, things like that, still works extremely well. The two big advantages of going this route here is by going for a premium cable, it allows you to go for extra lengths with a guaranteed picture quality on it. And then the second thing about it is you could of course do it with cutting cables to length and things like that exactly and terminating, but that takes a lot of time, effort. It's not necessarily going to give you a better connection. In fact, it definitely won't, because it won't be a molded joint like this. And for applications, let's say where people are running cameras through attics and things like that, using something like this is just a much better idea. Most of the cables we had seen within the range were up to 20 meters or not, and that's why we actually went to the factory in China, came along, described exactly what we're looking for, tested a pile of different samples, and found this spec here was just perfect. We'll say it will allow us to extend all the way out to 50 meters. So with 35 meters, it works absolutely flawlessly. So that's it anyway, an overview of the professional 35 meter BNC power cable.